Hello, my name is Tamela Friesen. I'm running for the Green Party in Regina-Wascana. We all interact with the healthcare system every day, whether it's for our own health or for loved ones. And I hear and I feel much frustration. We all know that we want public health care. We all know that we want it accessible. We all know that we want it to be effective. And so the way to move towards that is to evaluate the plan for poverty elimination, for example. $1 eliminating poverty can be up to $10 in savings for healthcare. $10 in savings in healthcare is a lot of money to reallocate for better programming. The other thing that's happened over the years is that our healthcare system, one of the reasons it's so expensive is because it's very reactive. We're waiting for people to get sick before we intervene. And we have to get back to preventing sickness in the first place. And so that goes into food policy. Taxing sugary drinks, rewarding eating local, healthy, fresh, nutrient-dense food. One of my favorite things about the Green Party platform is its plan to eliminate poverty. We hear about poverty reduction from the other mainline parties, but we talk about poverty elimination, and we believe it's actually possible. A lot of other parties start talking about dollars in the middle class. I'm here to say that if you want good investment dollars, $1 in poverty reduction gives us up to $10 in savings in terms of health care costs, of education costs, of criminal justice costs. And everybody knows that when we've saved that many dollars, it's freeing up more money for everybody in society. And so the most innovative plan that the Greens want to work toward is called the Guaranteed Livable Income. Or you could Google Mincome and Dauphin, and you can see some hardcore research that's already been done. Basically, it's like a reverse income tax. Instead of taxing people below the low income cutoff line, we reverse tax them so that they actually got brought up to the low income cutoff line. And then social workers get to do what social workers probably went into the business to do. Instead of policing people, filling out this form, that form, getting this pocket of money, that pocket of money, yada, 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 they actually get to help people. They get to identify where their needs are and how to plug them into the service. Food security and nutrition is something that's really passionate for me. For one thing, it has transformed my life. Strictly by pursuing nutrients, I've revolutionized my own health. I've eliminated my asthma medications. Figure that one out. And it's something that's on the minds of many Canadians. And so the Greens have some really good ideas for helping each and every one of our community members make sure they have enough good quality nutritious food. One is the national strategy for a child lunch program, a school lunch program, to make sure every kid gets at least one good quality meal per day. The other is to make sure that habitat is healthy for rural and remote communities and those who are still into hunting and gathering, so they have access to healthy animals and healthy environments to pursue their own food supply. This is the question that I get a lot. Great ideas, love it, how are we going to pay for it? And of course, that's the important question, isn't it? We find that Canadians don't mind paying taxes if they're getting good value for the dollar. So one is to make sure that we're getting the good value for the dollar. We believe that $13 billion authorized for the oil patch in June is not the value for the dollar that we're looking for. $13 billion into green economy or into small business or into entrepreneurship, people are more interested in that. Or into healthcare, people are more interested in that. It turns out that the Green Party has economists that have our values as well on the environment. And together we have put together a budget that we submitted to the Parliamentary Budget Officer. And you probably heard the first headline, Green Party budget gets a failing grade. But then we went back to the drawing board and we gave more information and we sent it back and got another evaluation, and ever so softly, it turns out that we have a passing grade. So we do have an economic plan that works. in addition to a climate plan, in addition to a social fabric plan. Together, we can get this done.